What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on AMP, which has taken a slight dip in value. As you guys can see, it's down 4% in the last 24 hours, and this crypto has been more or less dropping in value quite a bit, but especially here in the last 24 hours it has taken a little dip. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Is it time to buy the dip, or should you wait for it to drop further? Should you sell it? What is the best thing to do right now? We're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How likely or how high is AMP likely to go, or how low is it likely to go as well, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is down 0.5% in the last 24 hours, which is not too good. And we also have AMP as one of the top losers in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour itself, it has managed to gain 0.3%, nothing major. Over the last day, 5% down. Over the week, 5% down. And over the month, a huge 30% down over the last 4 weeks, guys, which is not looking too good at all. And again, let's not even go to the yearly chart. Do you guys want to get scared? Let's have a look. 80% down over the last year, guys, which is again a major drop for AMP. I've been covering AMP for years now, and I did let you guys know, do expect this crypto to be more or less keep dropping in value across the years, and that is exactly what's happened. Yes, there's been a little dip here and there in between, but overall it has been clearly moving towards the negative direction. So even right now, is it time to invest into it, or should you avoid it at all costs? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video. And if it does manage to pump or recover, when is it likely to do that, and why would it recover instead of keep dropping in value? So going into the CoinMarketCap website, here we've got the trading volume, which has gone down 6% in the last 24 hours, making it $3 million. Again, only reason it's gone down is the value of AMP has also dropped, so not many people are trading the crypto. There's no reason to buy it, or there's no reason to sell it. So yeah, most people are just holding on to it or keeping away from it, and hence why the trading volume has gone down. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple at 0.0018882 cents. However, it is trading at slightly lower value here in red at 0.001743 cents, meaning it's not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into a 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected from AMP over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, do expect AMP to have gone for an overall increase in value, but nothing major, nothing too crazy. That is also what I'm expecting, an overall minimal increase in value after the drop that's taken place over the last 24 hours. It's only right it slowly starts to recover. It has already started to recover over the last hour or two, and is likely to carry on that way. Of course, there's going to be red candles in between here and there, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, potentially pumping up to about 0.0018 cents is what I'm expecting. So as you guys can clearly see, it's not a major increase in value. Now, Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We've got a mixed signal. We've got the blue line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from AMP over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say over the next week or so, is very likely AMP is likely to trade at its current price range of about 0.00175 to 0.00176 cents is where I'm expecting this crypto to be trading at over the next week or so. So again, no major changes are expected, but do expect it to be quite volatile in between. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Yes, the blue line is looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is literally flat out going in a straight line, not looking bullish or bearish. So guys, an overall drop, a minimal drop in value is what is expected from AMP over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. So late October to early November 2023, I'm expecting AMP to have gone through once again an overall drop in value, just like how it's been dropping over the last couple of months. It's likely to carry on that way. Yes, we may see the odd pump here and there in between, but yeah, the overall outcome at this point, it seems to be more on the negative direction. But if there are any major updates or news that come across on AMP that can have a potential positive or negative impact on it, I will of course keep you guys updated on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as much as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But when it comes to AMP, there isn't much we can do. Only reason is it has dropped so much since its initial launch. As you guys can clearly see, we are trading in the lowest part of the red zone, and for us to even hit the resistance target of the green zone, we're going to have to hit 2 cents in target, which we are not even close to at the moment. So at least for the next 2 to 3 years, it is likely we are going to be trading in the red zone. But again, for us to hit the green zone is going to take a couple of years. Even then, it may not even be able to hit it. But as long as we slowly start to move in a positive direction, we should be good to go. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on AMP, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest or lowest figure you guys expect AMP to go in 2023. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.